Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to tell you all about the sweet gift wrap. These are really nice little touches. You can add it into an Eid gift, you can add it into a Ramadan hamper, or you can add it into an appeal for a shoebox. For my gift wrap, I've picked out a mix of sweets. Some are long and some are round. They're all wrapped, so it keeps it all hygienic. Bunching my sweets together gives me an idea of how big the wrapping paper needs to be. I'm using the longer sweets to place into the wrapping paper so I can get an idea of the size of the pack. I'm placing the other ones next to it as well so I can see how bulky the bag needs to be. Once they're in place, I can fold over the sides to make sure the overlap is correct. Size up the wrap over the sweets again, neaten off the bottom and take the bottom into place. Get your sellotape and now seal across the other way. Tape over the top and fill your gift pack. Lay flat, create a double fold for strength and seal with sellotape again. I decided that I wanted to create an extra little surprise for this one, so I've added a tissue paper on top of the gift wrap. Still quite thin and it's still quite light. Place your gift wrap into the centre of the tissue paper, and then all you need to do is fold over your gift wrap and seal everything in place with the sellotape. Here's another pack of gift wrapped sweets. This time I'm wrapping over it with cellophane. Again, created an extra touch. Use the same method as before and tape into place. I've also added stringy, shiny red ribbon on this. It just looks that little bit nicer. And there we go. It's done.
Where's Granddad? I don't know.
Ramadan moon.